Hey guys, Mobile Geezer here, and I'm back with my latest watch acquisition, the Mobboy Ticwatch Pro 5. Those of you that have been with me for a while know that I have a few smartwatches, but this is my first Ticwatch. Truth is, I'd heard so many good things about this Ticwatch Pro 5 in videos, I had to try it out.
Let's do this!
So we'll go ahead and get it opened up. So first we'll take a look at the nice packaging. On the one side it tells you what's in the box: Ticwatch Pro 5, charging dock, user manual. On the back highlights of some of the features: Snapdragon W5 Gen 1, a rotating crown, a dual display with interactive and customizable ultra low power display, long battery life, fast charging, etc., etc. You get the idea. So let's see what's inside. There's the watch, and of course another proprietary charger. Why all these watches have to have proprietary chargers rather than universal is beyond me. So let's see if we have some power. And of course we have a rubber band, but I'll be looking into getting another one because these rubber bands often are not comfortable to me. So while that's booting up, I'll decide which phone I'm going to connect this to. So I decided to use the Z Flip 4, so I'll connect them through Bluetooth and get back to you. Meanwhile, I thought I'd show you the proprietary charging connection. This is not like the connectors in any of my other watches. So that's how it hooks up. So, all booted up, that's how it looks on my wrist. So I've got the Mobboy Health app downloaded on my phone, so let's go take a look at some other watch faces. So I finally chose this one. I tend to like digital displays that show me battery percentage at least. I'll probably change it at some point. As you guys know, every other day I switch between my Apple Watch and my iPhone. One day my Pixel Watch and my Pixel 7. And another day my Galaxy Watch 4 and my Galaxy S23 Ultra. So now I'll have 4 watches and 4 days to switch. So that's it, guys. Just wanted to let you know that I got the Ticwatch Pro 5. I picked it up for $349 on Amazon, and I'll leave a link in the description. As always, comments are welcome. Thanks for watching.
Just one more thing.
Let's always remember, we all do better when we love each other.
Yeah.